Liberty University and Premier Festivals present Winterfest, coming to Lynchburg, Virginia, December 30th and 31st. Ring in 2013 with your favorite Christian music artists. Toby back. Casting crowns.
We were made to be courageous, and we're taking back the fight.
Kutless.
I'm a believer that he's strong enough to hold you now where you are.
Building 429.
To the sound of hope that's rising up over your own horizon.
Red.
Said, need you to live again. Can you replace them?
Fireflight. Royal Tailor, Jamie Grace, The Museum, and Humble Tip, along with MC KJ52, plus speakers Nick Hall and Bob Lenz, Illusionist Brock Gill, and Jumprope Master Peter Nestler. And there'll be a huge balloon drop when the clock strikes midnight. Plus, be a part of all that Liberty University has to offer. Ice skating, swimming, indoor soccer, basketball, a rock climbing wall, and so much more. Plus, skiing, snowboarding, and tubing at Liberty Mountain Snowflex Center. So not only will you get to go to tons of concerts by today's top artists, you'll also enjoy lots of cool campus activities. Get your tickets early during the Super Early Bird Special and save $25 off the regular price. Available now through October 12th. Get your tickets today before they're all gone. For tickets to the largest all-Christian New Year's party around, call 1-866-447-2084 or visit libertywinterfest.com. Like us on Facebook and stay up to date on all the latest Winterfest news. Get ready to ring in the new year at Winterfest.
Without you, that's me without you.